Las Concora, the Immigration, Residency and Protection Bill, is going to put on a statutory basis valuable schemes that we have to allow undocumented people in this country to get back into the immigration system. Now, Minister, there are similar schemes in place in the United States, and I understand you have a briefing note there today for undocumented Irish. The difficulty is, in order to access those schemes, those undocumented Irish must come back to Ireland here to actually have the visa issued to them. And the problem is that they are then hit with either a 3-year or a 10-year ban for being illegally resident in the United States. Now, a waiver system has been introduced in Mexico, and such a waiver system here would address the problem for about a third of the undocumented in the US. Now, can I ask you, Minister, my understanding is a letter has been written from the Irish Government to the US Ambassador seeking a waiver scheme being put in place here. When was that letter sent to the Ambassador? And secondly, does it formally request the lifting of the visa ban and the introduction of a waiver scheme here to address this anomaly for the undocumented Irish in the US?
Parliamentary question you should have down, Deputy there. Minister.
Yeah, I don't have that precise information, Deputy, but just to say to you that the ministerial visits by the Taoiseach and Taoiseach and other ministers will be raising these issues, and obviously we've had a very long involvement in relation to immigration reform, and indeed welcomed the announcement by President Obama in November. So this is an issue on which the Irish Government is very much engaged, but I don't have the specific information.
Deputy James Bennon.